December the 28th. Rejoice in the Lord always. I will say it again. Rejoice. Philippians chapter 4, verse 4. Sing a little song of trust, O my heart. Sing it just because you must, as leaves start, as flowers push their way through dust. Sing, my heart, because you must. Wait not for an eager throng, bird on bird. It's the solitary song that is here. Every voice at dawn will start. Be a nightingale, my heart. Sing across the winter snow. Pierce the cloud. Sing when mists are drooping low, clear and loud. But sing sweetest in the dark. He who slumbers not will hark. And when he hears you sing, he will bend down with a smile on his kind face. As he cheerfully listens, he will say, "Sing on, dear child. I hear you, and I am coming to deliver you. I will carry that load for you. So just lean hard on me, and the road will get smoother by and by."